Welcome back to another video, you guys. We are so excited to take you along for date day. As somebody who has been married over 20 plus years, a tip that I can give you guys is to remain dating. Welcome to the hangar at LBX, located in the heart of Long Beach, California. Just minutes from the airport and the coast, this one-of-a-kind food hall has become a true community hub. Rooted in Long Beach's rich aviation history, the hangar was inspired by the city's legacy of aerospace innovation. The structure itself is modeled after an airplane hangar, a nod to the industry that helped shape this city. Today, the hangar is home to a curated collection of local eateries, breweries, and dessert spots, all under one roof. Whether you're craving global flavors, craft coffee, or a sweet treat, you'll find something for every taste. But it's not just about food, it's all about the experience. The hangar hosts live music, pop-up events, and creates a welcoming atmosphere where locals and visitors can connect. So if you're in Long Beach, the hangar at LBX is a must-visit destination. Come for the history, stay for the food, and leave with unforgettable memories. Our lunch choice was La Taqueria brand, which has 4.7-star reviews on Yelp.
Soy un hombre muy honrado que le gusta lo mejor. Las mujeres no me faltan, ni el dinero ni el amor. Jineteando en mi caballo por la sierra yo me